Welcome to Echoes from the Mountain. This channel is your sanctuary for mindfulness and guided meditation. Guided imagery is a powerful tool that allows us to escape into a world of vivid imagination and limitless possibility. By harnessing the calming and rejuvenating power of nature, we can quiet the mind, spark creativity, and tap into our inner sources of inspiration. In this video, we will embark on a journey of mindful reflection, using the wonders of nature as our backdrop for creative exploration. Have you ever felt stuck? Struggling to come up with new ideas or solutions to life's challenges? You are not alone. Many of us face creative blocks and mental exhaustion caused by the constant demands of modern life. Our minds are wired to respond to stress and anxiety, making it difficult to quiet the noise and focus on our inner world. But what if we could find a way to step outside of our worries and tap into a deeper sense of inspiration and calm? We often try to force our minds to be more creative, to conjure up innovative ideas and solutions. But this approach can lead to more frustration and burnout. What we need is a mental escape, a break from the constant din of distractions, and a chance to reconnect with our inner selves. This is where guided imagery comes in, a gentle yet powerful tool that can transport us to a world of tranquility and creative possibility. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the demands of work, social media, and daily responsibilities. We forget to take a step back, to breathe and to listen to our own inner wisdom. But when we do take the time to slow down, to quiet the mind and listen to our hearts, that's when the magic happens. That's when we can tap into our deepest sources of creativity and unlock the doors to innovation and inspiration. Nature has a way of calming our minds and sparking our imaginations. Imagine walking through a serene forest, the rustling of leaves beneath your feet, the warm sun on your skin, and the gentle breeze whispering secrets in your ear. Or picture yourself standing on a wind-swept coastline, the salty spray on your face, the cries of seagulls overhead, and the vast expanse of ocean stretching out before you. These are the kinds of environments that can awaken our senses and inspire our creativity. Guided imagery takes this concept to the next level by combining the calming effects of nature with the power of visualization. By immersing ourselves in a vivid, sensory experience, we can quiet the mind and tap into our deeper sources of creativity. We can imagine ourselves in a peaceful meadow, surrounded by wildflowers, or sitting by a quiet mountain stream, listening to the gentle flow of the water. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are profound. Let's take a few moments to imagine ourselves in a serene, natural setting. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and allow yourself to relax. Imagine yourself standing in a tranquil forest, surrounded by towering trees that stretch up towards the sky. The air is cool and fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. A gentle breeze rustles through the leaves, creating a soft, soothing melody. As you breathe in, imagine the freshness of the forest filling your lungs and calming your mind. Allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress and simply be present in this peaceful environment. Visualize the warmth of the sun on your skin and the softness of the forest floor beneath your feet. Take another deep breath in and allow yourself to fully immerse in this sensory experience. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself walking through the forest, noticing the intricate patterns of the trees, the vibrant colors of the wildflowers, and the gentle song of the birds. Allow yourself to slow down, to savor each sensation, and to fully connect with your surroundings. Remember, you are safe. You are calm. And you are free to explore this peaceful world. Take one final deep breath in, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you are feeling. More relaxed, more calm, and more connected to your creative self. This is the power of guided imagery and the magic of nature escapes. By harnessing the calming effects of nature and the power of visualization, we can unlock our imagination and tap into our deepest sources of creativity. Guided imagery is a powerful tool that can help us overcome creative blocks, reduce stress and anxiety, and inspire new ideas and solutions. So why not give it a try? Take a few moments each day to escape into nature, to breathe, to relax, and to tap into your inner wisdom. If you'd like to explore more mindfulness practices or guided imagery exercises, be sure to check out our other videos. And if you'd like to share your own experiences with guided imagery or nature escapes, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of guided imagery and nature escapes. Until next time, may you find strength and inspiration in the whispers of echoes from the mountain.